Solve the system. Well, I'm going to be using elimination on this one. And with elimination, I need this to be the opposite of this, or this to be the opposite of this. For this video, I'm actually going to multiply this by 4. And by doing that, I can get this one being the opposite of this one. Now, if I multiply this equation by 4, I got to multiply everybody by 4. So that gives me negative 4x plus 4y equals 8. And then I'm just going to bring this one straight over the way it is. 4x minus 3y equals negative 3. Now I'm going to add. So if I add my x's together, I end up getting 0 x's. So that eliminates. That's why it's called elimination. And then 4y minus 3y is just 1y. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So we just got y equals 5. But that's not my answer. Remember, my answer needs to be in this form. So I found my y value. Now I'm going to find my x value. And in order to find my x value, what I can do is I can plug this back into either this one or this one. Since this one's a smaller number, I'm just going to plug it into this one. And if I do that, I end up getting negative x plus y, which is 5, equals 2. Subtract 5 to both sides, and I end up getting negative x equals negative 3. So if I divide by a negative 1, divide by a negative 1, x equals 3. So my answer is 3, 5. Now, just to make sure that this works, I'm going to plug these back into here. So if I do that, I end up getting negative x, which is going to be 3, plus y, which is 5. And if I add those together, I do get 2, so that works out. Then I check the other one, so I get 4 times 3 minus 3 times 5, and that will give me 12 minus 15, and 12 minus 15 is negative 3, and that works out too. So that's how you can check your answer.